child welfare. This is what your course is going to look like in Blackboard. I wanted to give you a brief overview. The very first place that you should visit each week is Current Week. If you will tap on that, it will take you to the assignments that are available for the current week. The week starts on Sundays at 11:59 or uh, early Monday morning. For this week, you have some information to be reviewed and an introduction post. Um, the first thing that you should look at is the syllabus. If you click on that, then you can double click again and it will bring you to the syllabus. My contact information is right here. This is my office phone number and this is my email. You can also email me in the course. This is the textbook that we will be using, Understanding Child Abuse and Neglect, the ninth edition. This book, the APA manual, is not required. I do suggest, though, that um, you become familiar with it through different websites that will be listed in the resource section. These are the assignments. You will be doing a paper worth 50 points on any topic that you choose that we will be discussing over the course of the semester. Each week, you will write a 1 page chapter summary, and each week, you will respond to a question. I will post a discussion question each Monday from the textbook. You will post an initial response to the question by Wednesday at 11:59, and then you will reply to one of your students' posts by Friday at 11:59. Each initial post must be at least 2 paragraphs, and the post to one of your fellow students must be at least a paragraph. I want to take this opportunity to talk about the importance of these posts. If these posts do not reflect that you did not do the reading, or if they reflect that these are just cursory answers to whatever the question is, you will not receive full points. So I suggest that you give careful consideration to the answers both to the questions as well as what it is that your classmates are saying. You will also have a cumulative written exam worth 50 points over uh, the semester topics. If you scroll down to the weekly topics, you can see week 1, week 2, everything that you need to do in addition to what is assigned in the current week on Blackboard. They're the same things, they're just listed in 2 different places. So, this is the orientation video, the introductory post. Um, there's various information here that you can look at. Week 2, you're going to read chapter 1, um, and you will do a discussion post over chapter 1. Your chapter 1 summary is not due until the next week, and it is the same process throughout the semester. Going back to your class, that is the current week. This is where you post your discussion posts. If you are in the current week, there's your introduction post. Same thing. You have to, this is a post first discussion group, And so you would create a thread there to start answering the questions. This is the information for Remind. It is an app that allows you to text me. It is FERPA compliant. I will not know your phone number and you will not know mine, but it gives you immediate access. I suggest that you download the Remind app. This is what it looks like, either on Google or from Apple, respectively. Going back, these are the rubrics for the papers. You can download that one. Every time that you review something, you need to mark it as reviewed. Do you see how it changes from mark reviewed to reviewed? And this, again, is a different place for your weekly schedule where it separates it out. I look forward to working with each of you and reading your thoughts about the material that we will be discussing. Please feel free to contact me at any point during the semester. I look forward to hearing from each of you.